In fact, the real diet can be very good slimming. Actually changing what and how you eat will improve your overall health, help you lose weight, and make you feel better every day. 1. Eating the right food. Eat several servings of fresh fruits and vegetables throughout the day. Choose fresh, nutrient-rich, healthy, low-fat foods. Eat foods high in fiber. Fiber-rich foods keep you full for longer, so that you don't reach for unhealthy snacks that will only make you gain weight. Skip the juices, eat the fruit. Instead of drinking juices or smoothies, which tend to be high in calories, opt instead to eat a whole piece of fruit, like an apple. Eat foods that contain a lot of water, like fruits and vegetables. Studies have shown that people who eat foods with high water content have lower body mass indexes. Include foods that improve your metabolism. By choosing your foods carefully, you can drop the pounds without going hungry. Add good fats to your diet. Monounsaturated fats have been clinically proven to help you burn fat, especially in your midsection. Eat superfoods. Superfood is a term sometimes used to describe food with high nutrient content that some believe confers health benefits as a result. Avoid unhealthy food with empty calories. Empty calorie foods are those which have calories, from sugar and or solid fats, but little to no nutritional value. Eat more soups. Soups are relatively low in calories. Moreover, if you start with a soup, you will probably eat less of the main meal. Feed your temptations once in a while. Go ahead and have the odd donut or slice of pizza. Indulging in occasional craving will help ward off any binging episodes. If you really feel a hankering for something, have just a little bit. Remember that the more you restrict yourself, the greater the draw to the restricted item. 2. Eating the right way. Eat slowly. Your brain takes around 20 minutes to register feelings of fullness, suggesting that you need to slow down so that your brain can properly communicate those feelings. Eat slowly. Your brain takes around 20 minutes to register feelings of fullness, suggesting that you need to slow down so that your brain can properly communicate those feelings. Stop eating when you feel full. When you feel comfortably satiated after eating, stop and put your utensils and napkin on the plate to signal that you're finished. Drink more water. Often we mistake thirst for hunger, which means we eat when it's not necessary. By keeping yourself well hydrated, you'll feel hungry less, as well as getting a clearer complexion and shinier hair. Record what you eat. This is a simple yet very powerful exercise to open your eyes to see whether you are keeping up with your food plan. Often, we tend to overlook the snacking we do between meals and instead really think that our diet is failing us. Learn how to manage eating out. Eating in restaurants or at other people's homes can be a real challenge. You want to eat, but you also don't want to eat the wrong things and risk backtracking on your progress. Expect to cheat once in a while. You might overeat one night. You might have a bad day where you indulge in way too much junk food. Just don't despair when you realize you've strayed from your goals. It took you a lifetime to achieve your current weight, and it will take time to achieve your new weight and size goal.
If you are interested, please click on the link below the video to watch the full content.